This tutorial is going to address putting data or assignments into a Livetext e-portfolio. So to get started, you have to go to a browser. Livetext prefers Firefox, so that is what we're going to use today. So we will enter the Livetext web address, which is www.livetext.com. And it will bring us to their home page. The next step is to log in with your credentials. After you've logged into your credentials, you will see the Livetext dashboard. On the dashboard, there are several tabs across the top. We are going to look at the Documents tab, which is the second one over. Select the Documents tab, and the Documents folder appears. Down a third of the way of the screen, there is a button called New. And what this is going to do is let us create a new document based on a template. So that's what we want to do. So we will click on New, and it brings up a dialog that asks, what template do you want to choose? We want to find the Portfolios template underneath Lincoln Memorial University, and there is a template called EDUC 596 Portfolio Template. That is what we want. We will select that template, and you will see a preview on the right side of the screen. You can scroll down. On the bottom right hand side of your screen it says Create Document. We will select that. It asks you what you would like to title it. By default, it wants to label it as EDUC 596 Portfolio Template. I'm going to take away the template and just say EDUC 596 Portfolio. And you can put your first name there if you like, or any other way to identify it. Then we will select OK. What this is going to do is open up a new document. It created a new document based on the template. You can see here that it's been pre-populated with some of the assignments that are assigned in the EDUC 596 syllabus. Now, what we would like to do is put our data into each of these areas. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the first one. It says Review a School Board Policy Manual. So we click on that, and you can see it says Blank Section. Well, what we would like to do is we want to edit this part of the document. So on the right-hand side of the screen, we will click Edit. That brings us into a text area where we can actually place text and then title it. So what we need to do is we need to open up our assignments where we type this. Most of you may have used Word or some other type of word processing program to type these assignments. And what we need to do is we need to open up that file that you made previously in order to copy and paste. So if you open up another file, we're going to open up Microsoft Word and paste text into this area. Now that we have copied our text from another word processing program, we have used Microsoft Word, there are some options in the Livetext document that you can use to paste into. One of the options is Paste from Word. By selecting this, it actually will save all of the formatting that was from Microsoft Word. Now in this scenario, you can see it is actually a dialog box that has come up, and it says that I don't have the security settings to paste straight in. So it is giving me a box to paste my Word text from. So I will right click and I will hit Paste into here and hit OK. And it has pasted all of my content into this part of the Livetext document. Once I paste this in, I can label the section title, which we're going to call it School Board Policy Manual Review. Hit Save and Finish. That will put that text into that first page. And simply all you have to do is continue to do that all the way through the document. So the next item is review your State Department of Education website. Again, there's nothing there, so we need to paste it. So go back to your word processor, find your document that you need to copy and paste from, and simply copy it, and we'll do those steps again and paste. So we want to come over, once we have copied our text, we want to edit the document, and we want to paste into the text area. And now you'll notice it did not prompt me for security settings. It let me paste right into the text area. So that is good. Now we want to label the section title, and we'll call it State Department of Education Website Review. You can label this any way you would like. Let's save and finish, and that is the second area into our portfolio. And you continue to do this all the way down to the bottom. Now, the neat thing about Livetext is that once you hit Save Changes when you've edited the text, it's there. It's in your documents. To make it possible for a person to view your assignment, you can go to the top part of the assignment and click the Share button. When you click this Share button, you will see there is a look in My Institution or All Users. We'll want to make sure My Institutions are selected. Then we go and click in the Search Viewer box, and we can type in a person we would like to share this document with. You'll notice when we typed in that name, it populated with a query of the database and found a user with that name. That happens to be what we would like to share with, so we'll click on that name. We click Add to Share, and it finalizes our share. We are now done sharing this document, and the receiver has received it. This is how you put an assignment set or list together in a portfolio and share it with another user.